Wait, back up. Wow, look at. You know, we saw one of these on YouTube once. Like when it goes over that track like that. Nope, nope. Xander, that's not how you play with these trains, honey.
That's not how you play with them. You can stop the train over here like this. But I just rerouted everything back over to the circle. Through the tunnel.
Hey, the train will play for the go this way.
You want it to go that way?
Yeah. It's that way.
Wow.
Hey, Daddy, go start the train. Hey, Daddy, go stop the train over here.
Stop it over there? Okay. Let's switch the tracks so they'll go in the right place. I don't know if it's going to work for both of you.
Uh-oh.
No? Not at all.
We're just learning.
Oh,
Well,
Wait.